Welcome to George and Jane YouTube video channel of adventures and hobbies. Please subscribe and like, comments welcome. Don't forget to browse the playlists.
Changing the water thermostat on a Mazda Bongo. This is what it looks like if you take the housing off completely. And what I'm going to do is clean this all up, dismantle it, fit a new thermostat, and then it'll go back on. But I'm waiting for the adapter kit, self-bleed adapter kit, to arrive in the post. So I've got quite a bit of the van actually stripped down. Well, that's one of the pipes cleaned up and de-rusted inside. You'll see the rust that come out of that. Anyway, it's an aluminium housing, so the rust has just stuck to the inside, so I have to flush the engine down. But yeah, that's the first part done. Okay, that's it cleaned up, new thermostat fitted, and I'll show you the old one, and it might give you an idea if it may have been the cause of the intermittent water issue. Okay, this is the old water thermostat, and yes, it's rusty on the top, but can you see this here, this lump of gasket sealant? Look where it is, it's flat there, see it? So this has been on here. Can you see that? And this bit here, so has it kept this open, or has it kept it shut? It's silicone, look. Not good, is it? That might be the problem. Well, I've got these water issues with the Bongo. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.